Hello friends, in this tutorial we will learn the multipad command. Okay, let's start the session. First of all, open the CATIA software and create a like this profile. Okay, and now select this face and select the sketch command. Okay, now here create a small circle and another is rectangle. Okay, now exit workbench. Okay, here now select the multipad command. Okay, here multipad definition dialog box is open. Okay, first limit and here length and here type. Okay, now select the domain, extrusion domain. Okay, this is first and this is second. Okay, after selecting, the color of circle is blue. Okay, after selecting first domain, color of rectangle is blue. Okay, now we will give the length to the extrusion domain first. Okay, now we will give the height, means length. Okay, select extrusion domain second, give the height. Okay, see, at a time we will give the different height to the profiles. Okay, now here click on more. Okay, now this is a second limit. If you want to reduce the length, then see here the profile is up from this surface. Okay, see, and preview. See, okay, otherwise increase the length. See, like this. Okay, and click on OK. See, this is a benefit of multipad command. Okay, because of at a time two different length of pads we will created. Okay, in next tutorial we will learn the pocket command. Okay, thank you.